Zhongshan, MYD Metal Products Company Limited is a professional precision sheet metal stamping and springs fabricator, which serves higher quality, required customers, exceeding 30 countries, mainly in North America, Europe, Oceania, the Middle East. MYD Metal is equipped with all the machinery for manufacturing stamping dies, as well as the professional stamping, die design, and manufacturing team, which includes design engineers, process engineers, and manufacturing technicians. For some simple dies of stamped sheet metal parts, we can even complete them within 3 days. Most of the customers are pleased with our quality and speed of delivery because we save them a significant amount of costs. Laser cutting, CNC bending machine, and other equipment can make us provide prototype samples to customers by rapid manufacturing before manufacturing dies. The spring department is equipped with a variety of strict standard testers, and a number of spring machines can be produced in large quantities at the same time. Are committed to providing customers with high-quality springs efficiently. Our company passed ISO 9001, IATF 16949, and ISO 14001 certification. They maintain high-quality standards for our products, such as automobiles, medical treatment, consumer electronics, instrumentation, toys, office equipment, electric industries, energy, telecommunications, and home furnishing. Look forward to hearing your inquiry.